You see your cousin? That sheep, I don't think it's me too.
No one sleep.
We did here. This is just collect all the eligible bachelors.
I think it is fake.
See, no Mashallah leave this house. You know going to church. One bed. He's not. What?
It is time for this week's Black Envelope Game.
Automatic nomination. Immunity.
As you were.
Alex, Ike, you must have better control of your temper. Big Brother hereby issues both of you a final warning. Neo Energy, Pere, for constantly breaking the house rules, you are hereby issued a punishment.
No. We're very sorry, honestly. We've learned our lesson.
Free at last.
Mercy Eke, you are hereby issued a strike.
Biggie, I'm gonna leave this house. I will leave this house. Don't try me. I said what I said. That's me. I never said anything. I will live a fake life. Yes, of course I said it. Because you like it. I want to be my chair.
That statement is wrong.
How can you stand there and they're calling me names and you know for a fact that
This should be you last time. No, hold on. Give me.
Brother Naija.